A judge has sentenced 26-year-old Haitian national Joycelyn Similian to 10 years behind bars for robbing a 74-year-old man at gunpoint 3 years ago. Similian's attorney had asked the court to sentence him to probation or 3 to 7 years in prison. However, after considering the aggravating and mitigating circumstances, along with his counsel's plea in mitigation, Justice Vera Watkins determined that the aggravating factors outweighed the mitigating factors in the case. She then sentenced Similian to 10 years behind bars, noting that armed robbery is a serious offense. Similian's sentence takes effect from the date of his conviction on September 9th of last year. Glendon Rowe defended him. Kushina Marshall appeared on behalf of the Crown.
Still in news from the courts, the Curva-Neely abetment to murder trial opened today before Justice Bernard Turner. 36-year-old Neely is accused of aiding and abetting in the murder of 17-year-old Enrico Major. He's the son of convicted drug lord Dwight Major and his wife Keva Major. The teen was brutally stabbed to death near the S.C. McPherson Junior High School last June. During today's proceedings, the court heard from a number of witnesses, including the victim's mother, Keva Major. She testified that she identified the body of her dead son. However, she indicated under cross-examination that she did not see who stabbed her son. She then asked the court for permission to leave, saying she could no longer take being on the witness stand. The trial continues before Justice Bernard Turner. Aaron Roll is prosecuting the case. Glendon Roll makes up the defense. Still talking from news from the court, the two men accused of that deadly prison break back in February of 2006, Barry Pacoy and Corey Hepburn, were back in court today. During the proceedings, the court dealt with a number of pretrial matters, including confirming the date for the trial, which is scheduled to open on April 20th. Pacoy and Hepburn are facing murder charges along with causing grievous harm and escape charges in connection with that incident. The third defendant in the case, Forrester Bowe, died in prison last year.